Hi guys, Captain Nick here once again with MarineMax in St. Petersburg, Florida. Behind me we have a all-new Sea Ray 21 SPX outboard, fresh off the truck from the factory. Let's hop on board and show you what she's all about. Yeah, that's right, we're starting in the bow this time. Why? We gotta keep you on your toes. Up here in the very front of the boat, you notice immediately that this is the all-new stone interior by Sea Ray. It's been a big hit in its first year, and I think that it's going to continue to be the #1 choice for interior on these boats. You see here we have a co-captain's chair, really nice and comfortable. Comes up on a bolster like that, swing around here. You don't see this very often on a 21 SPX. We have a fully digital dash, Simrad unit, multi-function unit, got your depth finder, all your gauges, your fish finder, you name it, all in one screen right there. Landon, thank you for pointing out to me. You're right, we always talk about this in-floor storage, we never actually show you it, so here you are. I mean, it just goes on and on for just about anything you want to fit in there. You guys notice the subwoofer? Yeah, we've got the upgraded stereo package in this boat. Exactly how loud can you crank Jimmy Buffett at the sandbar? Only one way to find out. We've talked about the storage before, but why don't you pan in here, see what we're working with. What's that, you ask? That's the MarineMax Go Boating Kit. When you buy a boat, you don't need to go to the boating store and buy a bunch of stuff. We give you everything you need to be safe, legal, and have fun upon delivery. What are we working with for power? Mercury 150 4-stroke outboard, the greatest ever made. Once again, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. This is a Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. Let's have some fun. Bye, guys.